Robert says, "Hi, Chris. What advice would you give a teen who wants to be successful in business?"
Wow. I'd say you got to start life running. I think too many teens get comfortable. They get a job and they get comfortable in that job and they don't constantly look to upgrade their job. So they just kind of walk through life. Or they go from high school to college, not because they want a college degree, but because they don't know what to do with their life yet. So college is this place where they can feel comfortable. And it's also a reason to put off the possible failures that they might have in the first few years of business. But those are the most important failures that shape the lives of some of the most successful, most wealthy, most happy people that I've ever met. And I've posted a lot of content detailing the ways that I've made money as a teen, and also the people on my board of directors, how they made money as a teen, and the businesses that we first built, some of which were kind of successful, but most of which were a learning experience, far more of a learning experience, I guess you could say, than a profitable experience, which is kind of just a nice way of saying that most of our first ideas fail to make money. But the lessons that we learned from those failures could not have been learned any other way. So I would say two things to any teen who wants to start a business or just find a way to make money. First would be to set a target for the next 10 years and then be super detailed about how you're going to reach that target. I'd spend a lot of time getting clear on the actions that you need to take to reach that target in that particular time frame. And obviously most teens won't know how to build their first business or bank their first $1 million. So that's the first action they might need to take, to find somebody who's done it before, somebody who's done what they want to do, preferably multiple times, and they get mentored by them. And also know that most teens don't want to think 10 years in advance, right? But you have a choice to make here. You could be the kind of person who always focuses on how to make enough money to pay the bills or take a vacation or do whatever you want to do, like buy a car. Or you could be the kind of person who always has enough money to do what they want to do, to go where they want to go, to buy pretty much anything that they want to buy. The very first type of person just wants to make an extra $1,000, maybe $5,000, and they will eventually find a way to do that in a few months, right? That's a specific mindset. But the second kind of person, if you can fit yourself into this second mindset, winds up making that amount of money every month, and then maybe every week, and then maybe every day. And some of those people make far more money than that because they set a bigger target. So the first thing that I'm going to tell you, I guess, is kind of broken up into 3 steps. Step 1, set your 10-year target. Step 2, get help from somebody who's already achieved that target multiple times over. And then step 3, surround yourself with other teens, whether that's in person or online, who are all focused on reaching similar targets and willing to help you because you need a support team, right? You have to surround yourself with a support team. But then the second thing that I would tell you, if you're a teen, you want to make money or build a business, is I'd say run. Don't walk towards your goal. Because in life, most people don't want to run after they hit 40 or 50 or 60. You know, at that point, they want to enjoy the fruits of their labor, right? They want to enjoy all the work that they've done in the past that is now paying off for them. So as a teen, once you have your target and you've found a mentor and you've surrounded yourself with like-minded people who will help you and who also you could help along the way, once you've set that up, and by the way, that might take a year or so, but once you set that up, you put your head down and you charge forward, because life hands the biggest rewards over to those who set a worthy target and then run full force towards it.